If you're looking to begin your journey into the world of investing, then one of the best places to start is with the S&P 500. But what exactly is it? And why do so many investors swear by it? Let's break it down into simple terms. First off, the S&P 500 stands for Standard & Poor's 500. It's a stock market index that tracks the performance of 500 of the largest publicly traded companies in the United States. Think of it as a snapshot of the overall US stock market. So, why is the S&P 500 such a big deal? Well, its history of returns speaks for itself. Since its inception in 1957, the S&P 500 has been one of the most reliable indicators of the health of the American economy. When you invest in the S&P 500, you're buying a diversified piece of top-notch powerhouse companies. In its current iteration, it includes mega-cap stocks such as Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and Tesla. So how exactly do you invest in the S&P 500? It can be simpler than you might think. Probably the best way is through ETFs, such as those offered by Vanguard or Invesco that mirror the performance of the S&P 500. These funds track the index closely, giving you a diversified portfolio with just one investment. The S&P 500 has historically provided solid returns of as much as 15% annually. Though this varies from year to year, the funds are managed by the best analysts in the financial world. Of course, past performance isn't a guarantee of future results. It does give you better than average odds over a much longer time frame to let your money grow. S&P 500 ETFs give many investors that perfect amount of risk and reward so that you can feel good about putting your money into it regularly and not have to worry about it. But before you jump in, let's address one crucial aspect, and that is the timing of your investment. Many beginners try to time the market, buying low and selling high in greater frequency. However, even the experts find it challenging to predict short-term market movements consistently. Instead, a strategy called dollar-cost averaging is what we strongly recommend. This means investing a fixed amount regularly, such as weekly or monthly, regardless of the market's short-term ups and downs. Over time, this helps smooth out the volatility and lead to better long-term results. If you invest in nothing else, dollar-cost averaging an S&P 500 ETF is the way to go. The S&P 500 is like a blueprint for those looking to start their investment journey. It offers diversification, a track record of returns, and a straightforward way to invest. Thanks for watching, everyone. For related resources, check out the clickable links in the description below. Stay tuned for more and see you in the next one.